I was lucky enough to go to the Masters, which I have no footage of because you cannot take your phone in. So here is footage of me going around Georgia on a bike tour. About to ride my bike through this drive-through. Mother effer, and almost fell. You guys, I just went through a drive-through in Augusta, Georgia to get some damn cake on my bike. The next day, I went down to a cafe where I treated myself to a solo dolo breakfast. It was really nice to have some alone time, and I also used their Wi-Fi to edit some videos and spend some time on Twitch supporting some streamers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a fun time editing this one. I will see you guys next time.